everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a Dollar Tree vintage shadow box. So I got one of these little houses, and this is one of the shorter ones at Dollar Tree. I got these window clings last year at Dollar Tree. I used the Rudolph on another project. Today I'm going to use the Frosty. Some white chalk paint, some black chalk paint, some faux buffalo snow, some glitter in white, some ribbon of your choice, some silver pipe cleaners, and some greenery of your choice. So the first thing I'm going to do is paint the whole outside of the box or the little house with some black chalk paint. And the inside, I'm going to paint all white with the white chalk paint. Once that was all dry, I took my Mod Podge and put a generous layer on the back side of the house, and then I added my window cling to it. And I'm just going to rub my window cling with my fingers just to make sure I get out all the bubbles. And as you can see, it's a little bit too big, so I just took a razor and ran it on the edges to cut the excess off. Now that it's all trimmed and fits perfectly, I took some Mod Podge and put it in all of the little areas that didn't have the window cling. And then I sprinkled some of the white glitter and spread it all around and then let it dry. And you can kind of see the sparkle on the video. It's kind of hard to see. Next, I'm going to take those silver pipe cleaners and I'm going to run those along the inside edge of the house. Once I have them in place, I'll trim them to their size. So I'm just going to use some hot glue, run it around the edge, and then use my finger protector to push them in so I don't burn my fingers. And I think that just totally adds to the vintage look. Next, I'm going to take a small little tree. I decided to use this after, so this wasn't in the beginning with the supplies, and I decided to hot glue that into the bottom, right next to the tree on the snowman. And I just think that looks super cute. Next, I'm going to take some hot glue and run it around the bottom, and I'm going to add some of my faux snow. And I just totally love how this looks already. So next I'm going to take some of my greenery that I got at Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to trim off 2 small pieces, and I'm going to hot glue them to the eaves of the roof, one going one way and one going the other. Next, I took some of the silver ribbon that I had and I just tied it in a small bow, and I'm gonna hot glue that right to the center of the greenery. I had to trim up the greenery a little because it made the bow stick out too far, so I just used a pair of snips and cut off the excess, and then I hot glued my bow to the top. And I think this just turned out absolutely adorable. I love the vintage look and how cute. Oh my goodness. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to make one, and please don't forget to spread the chaos.